So let's move on to limits and continuities. We'll cover all the concepts in this class. So first let us understand what do you mean by left limit. So write down if a variable x approaches a value a from the left, that is through values just smaller than a, then the limit of f is called the left limit of f of x, which is denoted by limit x tends to a minus. So whenever you get a minus, that means left limit, left hand limit f of x. Therefore, limit x tends to a minus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 plus f of a minus h, which is equal to limit x tends to 0 f of a minus x. Why? Since x tends to a minus, which implies x is less than a. So what do you mean by x tends to a minus, which means x is slightly smaller than a. Now let us take the definition of right hand limit. So if x approaches a from the right, from the right means through the values just greater than a, then the limit of f is called the right limit of f of x, denoted by limit x tends to a plus f of x. So therefore, limit x tends to a plus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 plus f of a plus h, or you can also denote this way, x tends to 0 f of a plus x. Since as x tends to a plus, which implies x is greater than a. Take the next point. Suppose f is defined in a deleted neighborhood of a and L is a real number, then limit f x tends to a, f of x is equal to L. So if you are substituting, what does it mean? If you are substituting some a in the place of x, you are getting a value that is L, which implies limit x tends to a plus f of x means right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to a minus f of x, that is left hand limit. Both the limits are equal to L. Okay. This condition is satisfied only if f is defined in the deleted neighborhood of a. Now there are some standard limits which we will be using in the problems. So the first one is limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. And there is one more limit. limit x tends to a, x power m minus a power m by x power n minus a power n is equal to m by n a power m minus n. Next, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. And limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is equal to 1. A few more standard limits are there. Number 3, limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a to the base e. Number 4 is limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by x is equal to e. And limit x tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by x whole power x is equal to e. Number 5 is limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. Write a note over here. For finding limit x tends to a, f of x, first verify f of a. F of a means you have to substitute this constant in the place of x. If you are getting 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, that is called indeterminate form. So if this is in indeterminate form, like 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, etc., then you have to reduce the given limit. Reduce the given limit into standard form. Or rationalize numerator or denominator. Or factorize. So either you have to convert this into standard forms, which I have given you now. I have given you 5 standard forms. Out of any one form, you have to convert, or else you have to rationalize the denominator or rationalize the numerator, or you factorize and cancel the terms, and then you substitute the limit.